Hi everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to access some free images or projects for a limited time offered by Cricut Design Space. So first of all, you're looking at the screen right now. You could click on either projects or images, but we'll start with project first. So here you'll see we went to the project screen. You'll go to filters on the right. You'll hit the drop down menu. You'll hit free and you will see the images that are free or projects that are free for you to use depending on your machine. And you know, if you keep scrolling, there's a limited amount or the types of projects that you have. Anyway, there are much more under images, and these are set for a limited time. They are free for as long as they're available. So if you go to the right and click filter and hit free, it will show you what's free. Due to the issues that we have going on with the coronavirus right now, the CEO and Cricut has been really generous and added a lot of images, about 1,000 for us to choose from, so you could actually keep yourself and your kids entertained at home by making stickers, cutting cards, or just doing something. So the images are pretty much endless, and the CEO himself said they will alternate different images that are free so that it could keep you guys busy during this time. Hope you guys have fun crafting.